Yeah, as you say, cold cases are cold cases, but this one was freezing cold when detectives here at Calumet City decided to take a fresh look at it recently within the past 18 months or so, and that has now resulted in murder charges. And today, a number of family members of that murder victim came to the police department to show their appreciation and talk about the stunning news that the murder of their loved one has finally been solved. Now, Karen Snyder was just 18 years old when she was stabbed to death at a home here in Calumet City back in 1966. At the time, police arrested a man but did not have enough evidence to charge him with the crime. Then about 18 months ago, one of the Snyder's family members called detectives, asked them to take a fresh look at the evidence. So they submitted bloody clothing that they still had in an evidence locker here to the state crime lab. They went to Missouri to take a blood sample from that original suspect. And last week, 79-year-old James Barbier was charged with Snyder's murder. He was released last week, though, because of his age, returned to Missouri pending trial.
Evidence that was recovered from the scene in 1966 was sent to the Illinois State Police Crime Lab. With the advancements in technology, that evidence matched the DNA of Barbier.
I'm still on, with my family, a journey to justice. It's not over, but we're closer than we ever were in 57 years.
Tell other families that are in a situation like this, don't give up hope, keep calling. Eventually we'll find out who committed these crimes.
Those family members who spoke this morning thanked police. They also said that Barbier, according to family legend and lore, was always a suspect in this case. They'd always suspected he had something to do with the murder, but at the time there simply wasn't enough evidence to charge him. As we said, he was arrested but then released. Now, with DNA evidence coming to the fore, they are able to, they say, to prove that he was in fact the killer. He'll be back in court on May 22nd. Live in Calumet City, Dane Placco, Fox 32 Chicago.